Hey guys, welcome to the virtual future. Sorry, this is like take two or three. I had to get the microphone set. I've got a pretty nice little microphone, wireless mic that I have hooked up to the Quest. Um, anyway, welcome. And notice the mouse not moving. I thought they fixed that. Anyway, um, what I wanted to talk about today was basically got a DJI 4 Pro, Mini Pro, and here's something pretty amazing. So, what I found out is I installed the DJI software, I side loaded it, and let's make this bigger. And so, what you could do is okay, so it detected the DJI drone. Let me turn it on. Okay, so I unloaded the software, and so in a future video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly the drone um, within VR in the headset. I'm going to see. I'm going to test that out and see how well it works. But I'm going to wait for some capture cards to come in the mail. Some high quality capture cards that'll do 60 frames per second. So anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect. I'll try to make this video quick and short and quick. So we found the drone and it's connecting. What happens is the drone creates a little hotspot that my Quest 3 is connecting to now. Okay, so we're connected to the drone and I've got the controller off. So let's say I'm out camping or out in the woods or something, and I've got my headset, or if I'm out camping and I just happen to have my headset with me, um, what I can, what you can do, there's no PC required, I guess is what I'm getting down to. So let's view the album. We're viewing the album on the Mini 4 Pro, which is kind of cool. So this is an album on the uh, on the drone itself. So let's download this one. It was kind of an overcast, um, but we can download this one. That's kind of big, but let's do 24-second. So we're going to download it. Trim download. Interesting. So I guess I can actually trim the video and then download it. That's a new feature. This is a low res preview, but what it's doing right now, it's downloading. If you can see over here, that's the progress meter, and it's transferring it in high speed, faster than 5G, because it's got an extra band on this on the DJI 4, and it sent it already to the headset. So while it's on the headset, let's see if we can look at this real quick. See if this video does anything. No, I was just kind of hovering. Looks like. Oh, here we go. So a little bit of a tree. Let's see where the video's at. Okay, so I just did this a few minutes ago. I just landed, which is really cool. And I transferred it. So here, this is what I really wanted to show. My favorite thing to do with the drone is do sphere panorama images, because there we go. Because what that means is what you're looking at here. I just went up and took this picture, and I already transferred it without a PC, transferred it to my headset without any in-between device or anything like that. It was really quick and easy. You can take the SD out and put the SD in the side of the headset also, but this is even easier without cables. So let's take a look around here real quick. Everything is in high res. I don't know if it's showing up on this video or not, but the whole environment is in high res because I'm using something called Quest Optimizer. I've had it for years, but they've done a really good job, and it just makes everything look, just puts it in a higher resolution, and it looks beautiful, the environments. So anyway, the drone, the panoramic 360, this is what we're looking at, and basically you bring it in your headset and you can make it your home screen or whatever, or background, whatever you want to call it. So let me show you how to do that. So let's say we transferred a picture, or if you get a hold of some 360 panoramic pictures, you can also do this, but you have to get them onto your Quest headset somehow. Once you get them on the headset, so I can even fly. This is interesting. Okay, we'll do that another day. But anyway, so what you do is you go into personalization, virtual environments. So I've got so many of them. But the standard ones are the ones that show up here. They actually have viewable icons. That means it's built in. The rest of these are my custom home environments that I installed. So right now we're in space station. So let's say we're going to go to this one. This is like a pretty cool bar. So what you do is you go and you select your environment that, as you can see, it implements the panoramic photo in the background, which is really cool. It just blends in so perfect. It looks like it belongs here. Let's see how far we can go. No, I guess they blocked it off, or they haven't developed it to go farther yet. But the future is crazy with all this. So anyway, yeah, there's my background. The way you do that, so I don't keep getting sidetracked here, go into custom skybox view. You click here, and then you've got these three default ones that are permanent. And then you go into, this is the only one that you can do for right now as a custom. So let's say you download, this is a picture, for example, we just downloaded from the drone itself. I took it up, brought it down, and I got the picture. So you click here, and it's going to be not photo. I copied photos too, which is cool, but in video. But the extension or the naming of the file on the drone is going to be called Pano. So let's change the background to this one. I think this is on top of a mountain. Yeah, so I took this one a few minutes ago, and it's on top of a mountain in my backyard. And it's just cool, and it's amazing. Look, you can't go farther with this home environment. They update these environments. You don't know which one they updated, but they get better and better. So let's go back to virtual environment, and one that they did recently that is really cool. Well, this lakeside peak, all these are cool. The thing is the background, the 360 background that I'm talking about is only, if it's developed with the using the background intentionally, if that makes sense. So let's go to Futurescape, for example. Let's see if it used. No, this one is a default background. It's not using my custom background. So I don't know all the ones that use it. I'm just assuming based on the picture. Quest Dome uses the background. So let's go to Quest Dome, for example. This is cool. Okay, so we've got kind of a 360 view. We're in like a dome house, like way on top of a mountain, which is pretty cool. But yeah, my battery's about to die. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show, is basically taking 360 pictures in a drone, bringing it down, connecting